Welcome to William Carey Wednesdays. My name is Landon Adams, and I'm here with Dr. Valerie Bridgeforth in the newly renovated side of our cafeteria. It's an ongoing project, and we're here to discuss kind of the past, present, and future of this project. So, Dr. Bridgeforth, this is a massive undertaking. Started this past year, back in the spring. Where did this project originate?
Yes, so Dr. Adams, thank you so much. We are in phase 1 of our cafeteria renovation project. So for the past year, we've been working to bring new services to our students. They have a new dining experience when they return back to campus this fall. We're so excited about offering an upgraded space to their campus experience.
Very good. Now, this summer, we've had this newly renovated side open. A lot of visitors on our campus, a lot of camps. What's been the initial feedback you've got?
Oh, there's been so much excitement. Our campers, our students, our campus community, faculty, and staff have just given us lots of very positive feedback. They love it. They like the upgrades, they love the renovation, and it also makes us feel like our food and everything just tastes better. We think it will, as our president said, be a pipeline for the prospective students that we have. We've had hundreds of summer campers on our campus this summer, and they have just loved it. This is critical, one of the key components behind our recruiting and everything that we do at the university, so we're so excited.
Yeah, it's been great this summer to be a part of this. Now, we unveiled this side after our current students had gone away for the summer. What are your hopes when these returning students come back this fall? What are your hopes?
Oh, I hope they love it, because our students, they live on campus. This is their space. They are here for 3 meals a day. So we hope that they love this space as much as we do. We've really tried to enhance the entire renovation so that the students will just really love it.